Hi, my name is Melissa Winterhalter. I am a primary care pediatrician who's been in practice for 13 years. I've been at Riverside Pediatrics for the last year, and I am accepting new patients. I'm originally from Ohio, Wintersville, a small village on the eastern side of Ohio, so I am Winterhalter from Wintersville. I did my undergraduate training at Ohio Northern University, and then I completed my medical school training at the University of Toledo. I did my residency here in Columbus at Nationwide Children's Hospital, where I was also a chief resident. I have been in practice for 12 years, and I'm very excited to continue my practice. It has been an exciting journey to work with children. They have such an amazing perspective on the world and so much joy in their learning and growing. And it has been a special gift to watch children grow through the years into adults and to take that journey with them. I am married to Jason Winterhalter, a family medicine doctor, and we have 2 boys together. They are 13 and 11, and so we have a lot of boy energy in our house, so our hobbies include getting out and using that energy as much as possible. So we like to bike and hike and go on walks together, and then I also like to cook, which is good for me because all of my boys are really hungry all of the time. And when things die down, I like to drink some tea and read a book. I'm Dr. Winterhalter, and I would love to accept you as my new patient.